Oh, you're saying go down this road here?
Yep.
Okay. And then come back up around that way.
Yep.
We're in a, you taping?
Yep.
Okay. We're in a residential district, so we got to use a little discretion here. We're going to climb into it a little bit here on this back road, but right now we can't do too much. The shifter is just real nice and tight. Shifts are nice and clean and crisp. Everything on this car, steering is very precise. And again, you know, this thing is, let me see here.
Brakes will put you through the floor.
Yeah, the brakes are really touchy. I mean, it got this in the front, drums in the back, but I mean, it was a full pedal. You just touch it and the brakes stop you. Okay, here we go. Like I said, we're kind of in a residential district. We got to use a little discretion, but car runs fine. You can hear it tacks up nice. It runs good. It absolutely stops precisely. Look, no hands on the wheel and we're stopping. Look. This thing is, it's a brand new Chevy Nova in every way. Go across the railroad tracks here. Whoever gets this car is going to get an absolute diamond of a car. I can't imagine you could possibly, any way, buy a nicer vehicle than this for a Chevy Nova. I mean, this car is above and beyond anything that you could imagine being for sale. I'm gonna wait for a guy here. It's got a nice sound to it. It's not objectionably loud. It shifts perfect. It drives perfect. Clutch is nice and clean. I'm going to stop it outside here. Anthony, you want to walk around on the outside so they can see what it looks like outside?
Yep.
Although you have pictures of it, I'm sure, but... You know what? Get inside the door jambs here. Show them that too. I mean, there has to be something we can find on this car. There's got to be something we can pick at, other than the clock. Look at this. I mean, you can't tell this car has ever been touched. Look at this. The headliner is so tight, it looks like it's a banjo string. It just, the interior, the fitment, the padding in the seats, everything on this car is absolute top shelf. You can't find a nicer one. This is it. I mean, if somebody wants an absolute 10 in a Chevy Nova, this is it. You got to take a look at this car, and whoever buys it should really look at it in person, because you'll never believe, or when you get it, when we ship it and you get it, you'll never believe the quality of this car. It'll be above and beyond what we depicted it to be. Fantastic.